Everybody wishes there were magic bullets to solve all their problems. And pesticides have always been marketed as a silver bullet, but they've been at best kind of a rusty iron bullet. In general, they're kind of a dull bullet that doesn't kill things, and basically they're a bullet that can't even get out of the gun half the time. Why? Because nature is a lot smarter than Monsanto. If you have billions of bugs and they are thrown at whatever chemical you put in the field, some of them will survive. Some of them will have the right genetics where they go, wow, DDT, I love that stuff. I eat that for breakfast, you know? And so those are the bugs that survive. Well, they're the ones that are left to breed. And so all the bugs next year are from the parents of the ones that liked DDT. DDT killed all their competition. This is great. They could eat all the corn they wanted. So now, the following year when all the bugs come out, instead of 1% or 2% being resistant to DDT, 20% are, because that's what you selected for by killing all the others. And then by the third generation, it's 80%, and by the fourth generation, it's 100%, and now you have to switch pesticides. And that's been the treadmill farmers have been on ever since World War II, when we started using monstrous amounts of pesticides because we started growing too much of one crop at a time in one place. Places like Mexico, no farmer plants one variety of beans. They'll plant 40 variety of beans. And guess what? A bunch of those varieties of beans won't do well. But something always does well. This year's a drought, well, the dry adapted one does well. This year's too wet, the one that likes water makes it. The dry one didn't make it. It doesn't matter, because when you plant the whole genetic palette of beans, something will work. And when you're depending on that for food, that's more important than getting the maximum yield per acre.